Well, you're watching Joshua's recordings. Here is a recent acquisition. This is a Sears Viewsaver. Let me move this filter. This is a Sears Viewsaver, Sears Coldspot Viewsaver. Here is the outside of it. This is after cleaning. Still might need a few cleaning on the outside, but on the inside it's all nice and clean. You can see right there. Anyway, to turn it on, you slide back this, and we will turn it on. It's high fan. Pretty quiet unit, 6,000 BTUs. We have high fan, auto, which actually does turn the fan off when the compressor's off, and low fan. And off, but you can't turn it this way. You can turn it all the way around this way, but you cannot turn it back to like that. Fan control, open, closed, pretty standard stuff there. And another neat thing about this air conditioner is if you pull this down, you can pop that off, and there's the filter. Anyway, if you take this, you have another design on this side, as you can see. You can flip it around and get the design on this side. Put in either way. I think I like this design better, the wood grain. But you can do whatever you want. If you don't like the wood grain, no biggie, flip it around. I bought this off of a guy for 30 bucks. He said that he liked it. He wanted to keep this unit, but his wife didn't want it. She said that it was ugly, and I thought, well, she doesn't know much about air conditioning. But anyway, so we'll turn it up. Here's high. Turn it to low, and we'll turn it. There's the compressor. Very weird sounding compressor, but gets right down to cooling. It's ready blowing cooler. And there's our cat. Here's the outside of the unit. Sucks in air through here, blows out hot air. It's already blowing hot air actually. Blows out hot air through there. You can see there's our two high side off the compressor. And those both do under the compressor. You can sort of see the compressor back there. If you want to see this picture of this unit apart, go to Flickr. Then there's where down there is where it links in, and that compressor is silent. You can barely hear that thing running, and yes, it is blowing nice and cold already. If we run and then if we stop the fan, we can hear the compressor running. Yep, the compressor is almost silent. It has a GE fan motor. I'm not sure the year of this thing. It looks to me to be early 70s, perhaps late 60s. Has so continue with the front. That is. Sorry about that. My camera got cut off. Anyway, we pull this up. It's pretty neat. I got the original front, like I said. It slides open and closed. The access to controls. Original cord, which is very rare, and I rarely get an air conditioner with the original cord. Original side curtains, which actually have a very unique mechanism. Just pull that out, and this thing's really annoying. It gets stuck, but anyway, you just pull that out. I'll jump into this one. So if we pull this thing out, you notice there's that thing. That makes so you don't have whoops, I moved. Screw these tightened. But I mean, that makes so you don't have to that you don't accidentally push it back. Well, you need a lot of force to push it back, as you can see. But not as much to pull it. That way you don't need a screw. You can still pull it in, of course. I can't pull it back with my hand. With one hand. Anyway, here, push it. If you hit it hard enough, it'll go back. But otherwise, it won't. That way, you know, if you don't want to put a screw in your window, you don't need to, which I think is very unique. Of course, we got always the Sears caution. And I will demonstrate this unit kicking off for you. I have put the fan on auto. And yes, that does need a little bit of work, but anyway, turn it. Now it's in low fan. Compressor's off. Fan's off. So pretty neat there. Anyway, that is my Sears Coldspot Viewsaver air conditioner. I don't have many windows this thing's gonna fit in though, because it's very wide. Might not look it on camera, but it is. It is very wide. I don't know what I could compare it to. I know. Here's my phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy. Yeah, it's wide. So, anyway, thanks for watching. This is Josh's Recordings. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah.